Welcome to SPARKies. Let's learn about focused communications in 3 minutes or less. Focus Messenger has been replaced with Focus Communications. Start by hovering over the speech bubble icon on the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Then click on Communication. You'll notice this new messaging system more closely resembles typical email. It will default to your inbox, so to write a new message, just click on Compose. From here, you can choose recipients of your message: students, parents, all contacts, or teachers. If you're looking to message staff, that can also be done through Focus. Messages can be sent immediately or scheduled for a later time. Just click Schedule, select the date and time to send, and click Save. Other new features include the use of templates and being able to view sent, scheduled, and drafted messages. For more information on using Focus Communications, contact your digital integration specialist.